Both the lights are off.
Is it recording already?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
You just never know.
We're going to get us a picture in front of the building.
Oh. Well, I'm not going to photobomb them.
You should. It'd be hilarious.
I should. There we go.
Oh, I'm coming.
Coming.
Wait for me. I have little legs. We're cute.
Let's step forward a little bit so we see if we can get the sign back here. Yeah, let's go right here.
You go right there?
Okay, yep.
I'm coming. I'm gonna get a picture of the.
I was like totally cupping my ass all the time. Alright, I'm set. I think what? So what do we think? A third floor? Or a second floor? You want to go play like the pendulum? You want to go check out like the pendulum area?
I'm down for it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where are the other ones? Where'd they go?
I think upstairs. I'm gonna...
Baby.
We shutting this door?
Yes.
Yeah, yes sir.
Yes.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me again. I like chugged that beer and my dad goes, well, damn. I'm like, you didn't raise no quitter.
Thanks. Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, yeah. It's cool.
Thanks to you.
But you know, I also have pets.
You okay, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
What'd you hit
Fucking
yourself off of?
Ting! Old phone.
The little phone thing, he fucking foreheaded it.
Ka-ting!
You good? Are you sure? Okay.
I need a flashlight.
I hit a lot worse, off a lot harder. Or no, I said that backwards.
A lot worse.
A lot worse.
I hit my head too hard.
Are you sure you're good? Okay. There's Tylenol if you get a headache now.
Ready?
I have to pee first.
Okay.
Okay.
Urination.
Urination station.
Right.
I might change into my Hey Dudes.
You're
Because I don't like flippy flopping it all over the place.
Is this the discharge bit?
You know what the best nation in the world is?
Mm.
Urination.
Urination. Urination.
Finger on the hole.
Wow. Quit putting it there.
Yeah, no. So where are you writing her name at?
That was my next thing. I want to.
There's a huge spot in the doorway out here.
We're here. This spot
You know what, Angel? We have business cards. We should
Leave some.
clip our business cards and then write our name somewhere.
Absolutely.
I like it, like right with a whole
That's awesome.
top right there, right in the open. You'll see it. You'll look up. You'll see it.
That's awesome.
You can't miss
Hang
it.
on. Business cards are out in the car. Let me go grab business cards so we can leave it. And write our names somewhere.
No, I was facing the bathroom while I
Did you finally get to?
spat.
Oh, you did
Yeah.
a few of them.
I did. I'm so sorry.
He farts on me. You've seen it. Like.
Yeah.
Here's a ball.
I say set it on like the bed or something. Because we don't have a lot sitting on the beds.
Just trying to get some baselines here. Look at my hooves, look at my hooves, banana slug.
Ow.
Two spirits.
Get out of my butthole.
In your
5 guys, 1 girl.
Alright, great time.
Is there a...
Nice. They shot a crazy video here. It's called 5 Guys, 1 Girl.
Oh boy.
They have a girl's name.
Yeah.
Holly DiMaggio.
Definitely a special name.
I wonder how did they attach the cards?
Staple.
Or we just find a push pin somewhere.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm trying to see if I can find a push pin. I wonder if there's like... I was looking if there's like anything over here. Jeez, I don't want to do that. I haven't got any business card. Get the business card here.
There you go.
Hang on over there. What? I want to leave where we signed this hollow.
We'll find something throughout the night.
Yeah, if we see one, we'll just grab it.
Yeah.
Lord knows we have 500 push pins in the house.
Well, go get one.
Because I really want to put it next to theirs. But Josh here for us and then do their hollows.
Yeah, pretty signs. We're getting everything together.
Oh wait, look at this. This is not like anything at all.
There you go.
Cool.
Now, is that where we're gonna
No,
put
make sure you sign your names.
Let's set our names first. I want to put it by Scare Tours because I know them. I don't think of them. We'll do dark hollow.
Somebody's gonna sign for me. I am a small human.
Angel, do you want to do this? Would you like?
Yeah, she can just put all of our names up there.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it, Angel?
I did it.
You did.
What happened?
I saw the whole
Right,
thing.
dark hollow paranormal.
Yeah.
And then we'll write our names.
You'll have to write mine.
Don't worry, everybody's.
Everyone stay back. I'm so sorry.
I don't think that sulfur is good for the baby.
Oh boy.
Hey, you leave my kid out of there.
He's gagging inside of me. We need a Prego Pops.
Prego Pop. Dark Hollow Paranormal. We writing your names?
That's rude. It's right in the camera. That's rude.
Oh,
Booty.
yeah, the highlight this.
Is that pen dying? There's another one.
Well, you're also writing upside down.
Yeah, there's another one.
They don't do very well upside down.
Where's it on that?
Spell
Do,
their name.
do it.
Spell their name.
ASHLEY.
Okay, that's
The typical.
I think there was another. I thought
You
there
can write
was
Ashley.
Yeah, I have it.
one. Okay,
Ashley?
have it. Yeah.
Yeah, what the hell?
There you go.
I don't think anybody calls me Ashley. They call me Wee.
Wee.
There it is.
Yeah, Ashley. People are gonna see that and be like, what the
do me a
fuck?
favor.
Yeah.
Go back here and walk again.
No.
No, I mean dead serious. Go back here and walk. I thought I saw
Oh,
something
yeah.
walking. I
That's
don't know if it was you or something else.
Dude, that's crazy because she said she saw
No,
something
it was
walk.
not her. It was on that wall. I saw something walking across the wall.
That's why she was just all
In that back window, I saw something white go across.
It was right above where I hit my head off the phone. I saw 2 shadows.
Yeah,
I thought maybe it was
he leaned
her.
forward in the kitchen and went to go throw the trash away. He went, and all of a sudden you hear, ting! He bounced his head right off the telephone.
Phone's ringing.
Whose name is Wagatha?
It's the owner's last name.
Something I would name my dog.
Wagatha.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna go to where that pendulum area was.
That's what we were just.
For real?
Yeah.
I wanna set up some shit. Some sugar objects maybe. And call that one, who was the one? What was his name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy? Jeremy?
There's
Jeremy.
Jeremy.
There's Tommy up there too.
And Tommy.
Tommy was
Tommy.
in the bedroom, I believe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tommy was the kid, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Kid in elementary school?
Yep.
Okay.
There we
Hey.
are.
They said he could be
What
anywhere.
up?
You know what I was thinking?
Yeah.
Because you've been wanting to do the thing. The hand,
Oh, the teddy bear.
the teddy bear.
Teddy bear would love to do
Put it in Tommy's, like in front of the door.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe put a red pod next to it. Let's see if we can get him to come play with us.
Mm-hmm. That's a good idea. Put the blue rim pot in front of it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I heard about your farts.
I'm glad you didn't hear the farts. Oh boy.
Should have heard us at dinner. Just doing it the whole time. Every time I just explosively laugh and be quiet, I'm like, oh man.
Awesome.
I mean, I was trying not to, but it didn't happen.
That's my brother's classic, dude. If my brother's next to you, you smell something terrible, it ain't a demon. It's him.
It ain't a demon.
And he'd tell you, he'd be like, I'm scared. I'll never, we were at Penhurst. And it's like, this dude was so terrified. If you knew my brother, he gets scared for everything.
Uh-huh.
This dude was so terrified. We were completely silent in the tunnel down in the basement. And he farts, jumps, and goes, I'm sorry. That was me. I'm really scared right now. And it's on video. And we're just like, what? And he's like, my brother, he'll tell you, like, I don't give a shit. If you run, he's like, I will hold you down and run over you. And then he's like, there's 8 people here. He's like, all your job is to take care of me. Like, he's a fucking trip.
He definitely is. Aw, Steven.
Fucking asshole.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking asshole, man.
They make their beds. And they go lie on them.
Yeah. Lindsay, what are you doing? I'm just waiting for that first person to drop a deuce.
I thought you did already.
I'll be ready. No, I sucked it back in. I bought myself like another hour and a half. So I'm waiting for everyone to be in the basement and then drop a tank.
We'll hear it downstairs.
Yeah, absolutely.
Broosh.
Yeah, so you can hear the whole round the world. You know what I'm saying?
People, they left you like 4 cans of Febreze in there. That's what you should do.
Thank you. So awesome. Virginia Beach. Just bring it there. Ready to rock it? I'm ready to rock it. You all good? Ready to rock? Yeah?
So, I got my phone if we need a light.
The light where the bedroom is on. I believe. I believe it's covered.
Where's this light switch at? That's the bathroom.
I don't know.
There it is.
Way out here, buddy. You press this boy, he makes a sound, he talks to you.
You want the blue one?
Yeah, the blue one.
Here you go.
My son had one of the 2 of those.
We're gonna put this piece of equipment here. It's not gonna hurt you, but if you go near it, it lets us know that you came near it. Shit, this antenna got bent, Angel. Is that close enough?
I'm gonna go set the other one down here with some cat balls and stuff. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go lights out or something.
That's good. There we go. Go ahead and play with that, buddy. We left that for you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We're about to jump on that shit.
Yep.
I want to set some trigger objects around. Then we'll turn on all the lights. See if we can get them to do some shit. That's what you gotta tell him about this.
I know. I mean, it works. It just makes a god awful noise.
This is where he hung out, right?
Mm-hmm. So if you bump that table, it will move.
It will?
Yeah. So the
100%.
table is very, the top is very
Sensitive.
wobbly.
Okay. I'm going to do.
Perfect.
That was easy.
Perfect.
There's a big stuff there.
So
So will that go off if like something touches it near the top, or?
This here, yeah, so if you get within range, see how? And then of course the closer you touch it, the more it goes off.
Oh, okay.
Except this here too.
Set up a millimeter at least. I got my laser grid too. But I don't think just yet for that.
I think the laser grid would be perfect in the basement.
Where that shadow is. Got in the cover area.
What do you think? Motion sensor like by the stairwell? Are we facing the stairwell going up or down, or what do you think? It's got to be like away from us.
Yes.
Or I could put it facing the kitchen.
Where did she say she saw? And you already got stuff in.
I think you should put the motion light in the stairwell because we should be able to see it in the pitch dark from here.
Think
I
so?
agree.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You want me to do like face it kind of this way to see if there's something up or down?
You see if anything tries to come down the steps. Face it so it comes down the steps.
It wasn't when I had it on. It's been solid since we came from downstairs. I mean, it is a setting. Weird.
That's awesome. Okay, we got stuff there. Let's put something. Let's put this on the Ouija board.
This light shot.
Yeah.
We could put that in. The Ouija board would be perfect for here.
Right, because.
I was glad to see that she would be able to put stuff in here. I was like, oh, obviously.
So she won't be. Yeah.
This is not allow stuff like that?
Oh, yeah. A lot of places don't actually.
Okay.
It's like hard to find places that allow it.
Ghost hunters like.
Yeah, I know, because I took one to a GHU event one time and they were like, no, you can't. I asked Angel. It was the first event I ever met Angel at. I was like, can I bust out my Ouija board? He was like, no. I was like, well,
Yeah,
damn it.
no.
So that night I had to throw out that guy. The drunk guy that was throwing basketballs at
Oh, were
everyone.
you there that night? Yeah, that was the night that I was there.
I still have that dude's bracelet.
Do you really?
I still have that guy's bracelet.
Is that like
Yeah.
a tally mark?
When we walked away, he was so drunk, so he was plastered. When we were walking away, he kept putting his hands in his pocket. I was walking with Andrew, and Andrew was like, I was like, hey man, I was like, you're a really cool dude. I was like, but if you put your hands in your pocket again, I'm gonna have to kick you in the face, and I'm not gonna get fired. All right, fuck it in. All right, is this set up?
So, take a bird's eye view of
Let's
this
go
area.
lights out.
Where's that?
Right there by the
Clicker
knob.
thing.
Where's the cat ball located
Do you
again?
know how
The
many
cat ball
Ouija
is
boards
right in front of the devil dog.
So right here, I got a good bird's eye view of all
Then I got a
three
cat
things.
wall there. Cat ball there here. Motion sensor here. Facing it up there. I just want to see if the motion sensor works. Yep. So that works.
So it's only gonna detect going up the stairs, not down.
Yeah, yeah.
That
So
what
that's it.
sucks about it is that they already had one, like a big one.
Then we got something in
Just taunting me.
Tommy's room.
You
Yep.
know?
There is a place that we want to go to that's near where I'm from in Windber, Pennsylvania, and it has the largest Ouija board, and it's on the roof of the building. It's called the Grand Midway Hotel in Windber, PA.
Okay.
And the guy is an avid like Ouija board collector, and he painted this gigantic Ouija
On
board
his
on
roof
the
of the
roof of
hotel.
the building, and they said it's the largest Ouija board.
Wow.
Mhm.
All right.
And it's super cheap to. It's like $300 to like investigate it too. It's really not bad.
Oh shit, my pants. I got scared by my own hand. Spirits, we're gonna hang out with you tonight. And I'm sure, like you've seen before with a lot of other groups, we laid out some devices for you to play with. There's a little boy here. We were told his name is Tommy. Can you come out here, please, and touch any one of these devices, light them up for me. Any of these little balls.
I don't think you knew the word device.
Well, in the 70s, you shouldn't have devised.
I doubt it.
Well, how old? They didn't say how old they think he
They
was?
said elementary.
Elementary.
Yeah, so
And
they
it
were
was the 70s, so I
5 to, like,
doubt
10.
it.
Did you go to elementary school here?
You turn the light off.
It is off.
You can see?
No.
Because I turn it on so you can see. Maybe that's saying the other.
Oh, it is.
Is that number on that thing mean anything?
So it's just the temperature.
Oh.
If the temperature changes drastically, it usually lights up blue or red. You'll see like a blue means it dropped more than 10 degrees. It just went like from like 76 to 66 quickly. If
Okay.
it goes from 76 to 86 quickly, then it'll be red.
Okay.
I'm sure you're wondering who we are. We'd like to talk to you. Can you come out from any one of these rooms and come be with us?
I just heard something upstairs.
I
I'm
just
gonna
heard
ask
2
if
thumps
that's what you-
upstairs.
I did.
If you're upstairs, can you come downstairs and talk to us?
Tell me you fucking heard that.
Uh-uh.
I heard a oh.
How's this?
Huh?
Is it this? Bed's making a squeaky noise.
No, he heard like a...
I heard something too. I thought it was the bed.
Spirit, if that was you, could you just answer us a little bit more loud, please? I'll be a little bit more louder. Tell me you fucking heard that.
I did
No.
not.
What did you hear?
Alright, someone come here. Someone come here with me.
Where?
Come here, stand here.
You okay, Justin? Just checking.
I will tell you that I do hear some outside voices right now.
Yeah, you can hear it right.
Tells me. Yeah, I just saw there was a vehicle out in the street here a second ago.
Yeah, I thought I heard people talking outside.
There was someone next door when we were bringing stuff in, working in the yard.
That wasn't outside.
No.
Spirit, if this is you that we're hearing in the hallway, can you just please just be a little bit more louder?
We just want to talk to you. We want to know your story. Hi, spirits. My name is Angelina. If you're here, can you knock for me? Tommy, is that you, buddy?
What's that device in the floor? It's in the doorway.
Tommy, is that
So
you?
that one isn't even so it measures electronic magnetic field. It also measures temperature, sort of like that one as well.
Okay.
And it also has an antenna on the end of it, so if anything comes within contact of it, and like just like this other antenna one, it's gonna beep and go off.
Oh, okay.
Spirits, can you knock or make a noise to let us know that you're here with us?
What was that other person's name?
Jeremy?
Jeremy. We heard that there was someone here that used to love investigating.
What the hell was that?
What is that?
Hmm.
It's not like a howl.
Right?
There is a dog that was making a lot of noises outside earlier.
Jeremy. They said that you would put on the lab coat. If you're still here, can you let us know in any way? Touch anything? Move something?
The pendulum is still over there. If you can go over and make it move, maybe write us a message.
Do you like the work being done in this house? Me moving. Sorry. Can you turn any of these dolls on?
Did you have any cat balls set up?
Yeah. I do. How about this? If there's a place
No.
If there's a place in this house that you want us to come to, can you knock real loud or close one of the doors?
If you make a noise in that area, we'll come to you.
Who was the spirit that moved furniture? Can you come down to us?
I feel like it was dark on top of the stairs. It wasn't that bad.
If you're up there, you can come down. Come down a couple steps. I want to know why you moved the furniture. Did you not want her up there?
Did you not like the way that she had it arranged?
Can you come into one of the rooms of who you like? I got a friend over there sitting on a bed. I got some people here in the living room. And we're close to the stairwell. Can you light one of the devices up? Show me if there's someone that you like or want to talk to. What did he say about this room? This room was he moved all the pillows and everything, and then came back. They were all like on the floor.
Yeah.
Those things.
Yeah.
Do we make you nervous being here? Are you still trying to figure us out? Too soon.
not like I see something moving, but I don't know if it's outside or
You talking about like
right on top
is
of
it-
the stairs. I keep feeling like I see something moving.
Oh jeez.
Did she set that off?
Yes.
I scared the shit out of myself.
You're good. Now what? Spirit, she just walked out of the room and showed you how to make that light up. Can you copy what she did, make it light up?
These sort of three tapping noises. It's like a metal on metal tap.
Oh, my
That was
necklace?
it. That was it. This is me. Hold on.
They said they don't know how Tommy died, right? They said that little girl showed up and they just said that she was.
Yeah, that's cool. It's like he died. I think he's off 3 days since he started. It was like 76.
Mhm.
I mean, it's a real slow.
It
Sounds
is.
good.
But it's definitely going down.
This one says 60.
Alright.
I'll tell you what, if you make a noise wherever you want, and I'll come to you, and I'll let you do whatever you want to me.
Interesting.
Can you imagine it just being this quiet and then that creepy ass doll?
Oh my god. I think we would all probably jump.
Yep, I'm on one of them too. I'll do these in 3 hours. I haven't felt nothing yet.
It felt weird walking through here earlier and I felt nothing.
Jeremy, are you here, man? I know from one paranormal investigator to another, but I would hope you'd be able to come to us to prove to us that there's another side. Can you just do anything? There's a point. keep getting in my head like what if like we turn those lights on and the fucking pendulum is really
Oh my
I keep thinking about that.
Angel.
Like I want to look
and
at
it
it.
keeps popping in my head.
I've been sitting here thinking about it the whole time.
Really?
I think it's on my mind too.
That's funny. Has anyone else had that on their mind?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Really? Ain't that funny? I don't know why, but it keeps on in my head. Like
Like I keep trying to look at it to see if it's moving and I can't see it.
that's funny that you say that because when Angelina went over there,
Nothing.
Nope.
That's crazy. I asked him earlier too to do something like that.
You don't have to go up upstairs. Huh? But you don't have to walk upstairs and flush something out.
Really?
No, you're not. Just a quick walk through. We'll do this later, second. Walk through.
Did I do that?
Yeah. Yeah, that was your motion sensor. Can you turn one of those dolls on in that room? I think I'm gonna check that out.
That's you. Okay.
That's me. That is so freaky.
What the? We out. nightmare fuel over there. Like,
It goes off automatically.
You sure? Because it's like the third time she said that.
That's not creepy.
not at all. It's fine. Everything's fine. I feel like it didn't go off this long last time.
No, she shut it off with it.
Maybe. There it goes.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
did y'all make like an owl noise? It sounds funny, but like a ooh ooh.
No.
Spirits, my friend Lindsay saw a lady or a person in white go across the backyard. Is that person still here?
Spirits, I allow you to touch any one of us, especially the people downstairs.
Especially people listening.
I concur on that
You
one.
can pick one whichever you like. There's blondes, reds, there's a brunette boy, that kind of stuff.
Don't touch one.
He said, "Don't touch the little boy."
Don't touch a little boy.
Spirits, the scary doll is on. Do you want to make the scary doll make noise?
So weird how quiet it is.
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear that?
That was him.
Almost. What did you hear?
I heard like a male voice go,
I'm coming down the steps. We're coming down.
Did either one of you go,